when people talk about the market opportunity in AI, it's basically uncapped. It's the entire world. It's like all of business. And in the 1920s, people were saying stocks were going to go up because the entire world was buying into the US.
I think that's very true. I would actually specifically point to a technology story back then, which was
radio.
The ticker symbol was radio. The company was RCA. They also, by the way, not only had the technology for radio, they had the patents for television. And that was the NVIDIA. I mean, that was the meme stock of that era because people were buying into this future that we were all going to experience. And they wouldn't have been wrong, by the way. The conundrum is, I think the stock split adjusted at the peak was got to $530 some odd dollars. And by 1932, it was like $3.
Obviously, when radio comes to RCA, you're like, oh, it's the NVIDIA of the time. NVIDIA makes a ton of money, and it makes more money every year. We don't know how sustainable that is because some of that is them investing in companies which come back and buy NVIDIA. But setting that aside.
Vendor financing.
Was RCA making a ton of money, or was it mostly excitement about the future? Do we have radio's financials from the 20s?
So the bad news is we don't. In fact, somebody said to me the other day, did you ever get a chance to look at the prospectuses of these stocks? And I said, prospectuses, they hardly had leaflets. I mean, if they had anything, there literally would be leaflets that they would hand you.
So we don't know their PE ratios, the PE rate.
It was very hard to get real information. Again, this is pre the creation of the SEC. The kind of rules and regulations and just disclosures just didn't exist in the same way that they do today.